Introduction. Hey, connect to world buddies. Today, let's hit the ice and explore the term hockey. It's not just a sport, there's more to this word. Let's glide into the fast-paced world of sticks, pucks, and goals. Meaning. So, hockey is a team sport played on a field or ice, involving players using sticks to control a small, hard ball or puck and score goals. It's a game known for its speed, skill, and intense competition. Usage. Imagine the thrill of playing hockey on an icy rink or cheering for your favorite team in a heated hockey match. Examples. Think of iconic hockey tournaments like the Stanley Cup in the NHL or the excitement of the Winter Olympics showcasing ice hockey. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's ʻhăki, a term that echoes with the sounds of skates on ice and the cheers of passionate fans, right? Different uses. Ever heard of field hockey? It's a variant of hockey played on grass or artificial turf, with teams aiming to score goals with a ball. Conclusion. If the adrenaline of hockey gets your heart racing, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more thrilling word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.